So let's look at how this one has changed. We started at 2 to the x power, and now we have 2 to the x, and then there's a plus 3 at the end. And it's key that this is a plus 3 at the end. This is not plus 3 in the exponent, right? That's not what we have here. We don't have that. We have a plus 3 that's just at the end of the function. So it's like we took this function and we put a plus 3 onto it. Now, anything that you see there is a vertical shift, and it is a vertical shift, meaning it's going up or down. So the nice thing about this is that it follows logic. To me, I think if I see plus 3 and I have to think, does that mean go up or down? Plus 3 means up, and it does in this case. This is a vertical shift up 3 units. And so you simply take your key points that you see here, especially your your y-intercept, and you're going to go up 3. 1, 2, 3, and put a new point. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and so on, you know. And so you're just kind of taking that and moving it up 3 units. And so as we kind of sketch out the points, try to connect them as smoothly as you can. It's going to be a lot prettier than mine, I am quite sure, because you know that a translation, which is what this is simply sliding it around. You're not changing the shape of the original. You're just sliding it up, down, left, right? And so that's it. In this case, it slides up. And that's all it does. That's it. I hope that helps.